You see, another thing I liked doing was setting up a studio in a hotel room. The reason why is because when you're in a studio like this, it's great to record sound, but it's like you can't see anything. So I like being in a hotel room because it's a brand new room, a new city, and you're looking at a different thing. So that changes everything. So there's this hotel we used to stay at, and it overlooked Central Park. And I'd gone down the street to a little cheap sort of electronic shop. I'm a terrible person for keep buying crazy instruments or auto harps or anything, because I know that no matter how much that little instrument costs, something's going to happen. I bought this little tiny keyboard about this big. You could barely play it right. And I was sitting on the windowsill playing it, and Annie was sitting somewhere else in the room. And then she wanted to have a go on it, but like I just got it, so I said no, because I'm playing it now. And it turned into this like fight over this plastic thing. I mean, it's hard to explain it, but not really a big physical fight, but like tugging at the keyboard. And it was just this little riff, and then Annie looked out the window and she just went, "Here comes the rain again," because I was playing this now. We can't remember writing the rest of the song. This is the thing about Annie and I, is we can sometimes remember the beginning of it, but we can't remember how we wrote the rest of it.
Where it came from, or...
I remember usually the situation we were or how it happened, but then the rest of it's kind of a blur. It all just goes blah, blah, blah. And often we'd finish the whole thing in like 15 minutes. And also, I've heard people who would work with us, you know, musicians in the past, because Annie and I couldn't really write when other people were in the room much, but maybe they'd listen through the speakers, what we did, and they said that we sounded like crazy people that didn't make much sense, just babbling the words.
So it kind of came out of a sort of chaotic situation rather than a structured, organised situation.
Yeah, well, it starts to speed up, you see, and then it's like, no.
Okay, once you get going, then the ideas can't come fast enough.
And then, you can't speak fast enough, and then it's all, now we come in, we go, we've got it, right? And surprisingly enough, it often made sense.
Fantastic. Well, we've been talking about Here Comes the Rain Again. You've got this wonderful band right here, so could we hear it? Absolutely.
I mean, we'll play it, obviously, in this setup. It won't sound anything like the record you used to.
ocean? Is it raining with you? So baby, talk to me like lovers do. Walk with me like lovers do. Talk to me like lovers do. Shoo up, shoo up, shoo up, shoo up, oh, shoo up, 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 baby, talk to me. Oh, baby, talk to me. Oh, baby, talk to me. Yeah. Oh, baby, talk to me. Yeah. Like lovers do. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah.